Rhys dwi'n byw yn Maes Gychen. Dwi wedi bod yn byw yma am 7 flwyddyn rwan.
Ie, hanner ydw i, a chwaer Rhys. Dwi'n byw yn Cheshire.
Hanner y Didfenga. Ac tipyn bach o spoil, really.
He's a great guy. He's a complete joker all the time. I think anyone would say the same thing.
We used to call her Angelica from Rugrats, so that's probably not too complimentary. Joking aside, heb Hannah, I wouldn't have her anrheg o bwyd. I wouldn't have the gift of life from her.
Barod? Let's go.
O'n i isio fynd i'r gamfa. Part of joining y gamfa, they took my blood pressure. A oedd o'n rhy uchel. So, es I i'r meddyg a nes I ffeindio allan fod fy 2 aren yn wael. Oedd o'n massive shock iddi. It was a slow decline over time, and o'n i'n poeni. Mae gen I teulu ifanc. Do'n I ddim yn gwybod beth oedd yn mynd I digwydd.
1, 2, 3!
When he got into hospital, you could start seeing that, that he was ill. You could just see he was smiling, he was so positive, but you could just tell in himself that he was getting more and more ill. And we knew that the hospital was saying, right, let's look at our options.
So, o'n I angen aren, and Hannah said, yeah. Ti isio kidney? Fydda I si, ti'n sure? No, ti'n really sure, Hannah? Ti'n sure? Bob dydd, nearly. Ond oedd hi'n wastad, it's yours, yn barod.
When he knew he could have my kidney, he almost seemed more worried and perhaps less relieved of I might have a kidney here, and more like, oh God, Hannah's going to do this, is that okay? Yeah, we always seemed to be very concerned about me when he was the one that was ill.
It wasn't straightforward, ar ôl y transplanedd. Oedd y kidney ddim yn gweithio. O'n I angen aros yn yr ysbyty am 3 wythnos, hoping that the kidney would start to work, and it started working. It started working.
Mae'n ologfa wych.
Dyma, o fan'na ma' nhw! Yey, ffwr â chi, Rhys a Hannah! Si'm codi gwilydd arnyn nhw, o, gwbl o fan'na. Helo!
Byddai'n wastad diolchgar I Hannah am roi ei aren I fi. Mae'r aren yn ail gyfle, really. Ail gyfle, second chance at life.
What a gift to give your brother, Hannah.
It's almost a no-brainer, and to be able to do that, what are the chances that you get to do that for someone you care about so much, so.
Felly, sut mae perthynas chi di newid ers drawsblaniad?
No, dwi dal dim yn licio Hannah. No.
Dwi'n teimlo fel fedra I gwneud unrhyw beth rwan. Nes I rhedeg marathon Llundain, nes I chwarae pêl-droed ar gyfer tîm Transplant Wales.
He's the most consistent and best player most of the season, so Rhys, it's Rhys again.
Yeah, it's not stopped me. It's just made me a better version of me.
Laff o laff rwan nawr fan'na. Last lap. Yeah.
Mae gweld Rhys yn rhedeg o gwmpas y parc mae rwan yn lloni calon rhywun mewn ffordd, achos mae o jyst yn ei fi deimlo fatha bod o'n cymryd bob diwrnod fel mae'n dod rwan a byw bob diwrnod i'r eitha. Ac am o'n I pan mae rhywun efo math yma o afiechyd, na'r oll fedrith rhywun wneud. Na'r oll yn I gyd wneud mewn ffordd. Heddiw sgynna ni de. Byw. Come on, da iawn chi. Wel, dwi'n meddwl bod gennych chi berthynas arbennig rhwng y ddau ohonych chi. A dwi wedi bod wrth y modd treulio bach amser efo chi heddiw yma. Rwan, dwi'n gwybod ti wedi rhedeg triathlons, ti wedi gwneud marathons, gennych chi sawl medal, Ond mae hwn i ni ddangos yn gwerthfawrogiad ni at
lyfli.
eich siwrna anhygoel chi, boys.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Bob lwc i chi'r dyfodol rwan, a bynnag ddaw.
Diolch yn fawr, ond dim i fi, this is for every donor, every recipient, really. Dwi angen gwisgo fo. I need to wear it.
Na chdi, na fo.
Massive medal,
Wel, ti'n heiddi i wisgo fo, Rhys.
diolch.
Taking turns.